10 best tips for investing in your 30s. When you're in your 30s, you may be feeling like you're in the prime of your life. You probably got a few more years of adulthood under your belt, and you're likely feeling more comfortable in your skin than ever before. As you enter into this new stage, it's important to think about your finances and how to best invest them. It's the time to save as much as you can for your future, paying off any lingering debts and retirement. In this article, we will be discussing the 10 best tips for investing in your 30s. These tips are essential for anyone who wants to make the most of their money and secure their financial future. Number 1. Get out of debt. The first step to investing in your 30s is to get out of debt. This may seem like a no-brainer, but it's important to remember that any debt you have will eat into your ability to save and invest. If you're carrying any high-interest debt, such as credit card debt, it's important to work on paying this off as quickly as possible. Not only will this save you money in the long run, but it will also free up more money that you can use for investing. Number 2, build an emergency fund. Most people ignore this, but ignoring it could be one of the biggest financial mistakes you make. An emergency fund is a key part of any investment strategy, and it's something that you should start working on as soon as possible. This will help you cover unexpected expenses, such as a car repair or a medical bill, without having to dip into your investment account. If you don't prepare an emergency fund, you might have to take more loans or sell some of your investments at inopportune times just to make ends meet. Life is full of surprises, so it's always better to be prepared. Number 3, invest in a 401k or IRA. If your employer offers a retirement plan, such as a 401k, take advantage of it. Many employers offer matching contributions, which is essentially free money, so why not take advantage of it? Even if your employer doesn't offer matching contributions, a 401k is still a great way to save for retirement. Another option is an IRA, which is an individual retirement account that you can set up on your own. Both of these options offer tax benefits, which can help you save even more money for retirement. Number 4, diversify your investments. When it comes to investing, it's important to diversify your portfolio to reduce the risk of losing money. This means investing in a variety of different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. By diversifying your investments, you can minimize your risk and maximize your potential for returns. It's important to remember that all investments come with some degree of risk, so don't put all of your eggs in one basket. Keep your investment diversified and you'll be in good shape. Number 5, set investment goals. Before you start investing, it's important to have a clear idea of what your investment and life goals are. Are you looking to retire early? Do you want to send your kids to college and pay off their tuition fees? Or are you just trying to build up your nest egg? Once you know what your goals are, you can start working on a plan to reach them. Without clear goals, it can be difficult to make informed investment decisions. Also, make sure to set both long and short-term goals, as this will help you stay on track and motivated. Number 6, use investment vehicles that use compounding. Compounding is one of the most powerful tools in investing, and it's something that you should take advantage of. Compounding refers to the ability to earn interest on your investment earnings. This means that the longer you invest, the more money you'll make. Many investment vehicles, such as 401ks and IRAs, offer to compound, so be sure to take advantage of this when investing. Number 7, think long-term. Investing is a long-term process, and it's important to think in terms of the future when making investment decisions. Of course, there will be times when you'll need to sell some of your investments, but for the most part, you should be focused on the long term. This means that you shouldn't try to time the market or make rash decisions based on short-term changes. If you think in the long term, you'll be more likely to make sound investment decisions that will pay off in the future. Number 8, consider getting professional help if needed. Investing can be a complex process, and it's important to get professional help if you're not sure what you're doing. A financial advisor can help you create a plan that suits your unique needs and goals. They can also offer guidance on how to invest your money and make informed decisions about your finances. If you're new to investing or if you just need some help getting started, consider meeting with a financial advisor. They might charge you a few bucks, but it'll be worth it in the long run. Number 9, stay disciplined. Investing requires discipline, and it's important to stick to your plan even when things get tough. There will be times when the market is down or when your investments are losing value. It can be tempting to sell everything and cash out, but this is usually not a good idea. If you stay disciplined and stick to your plan, you'll be more likely to succeed in the long run. And number 10, invest in yourself. And lastly, don't forget to invest in yourself. This means taking care of your health, investing in your education, and building up your skill set. The better you are taking care of yourself, the more likely you are to succeed in life. Also, make sure to enjoy your savings and spend quality time with your loved ones. You will feel motivated and confident to continue your investing journey when you have a strong support system. So, there you have it. These are 10 of the best tips for investing in your 30s. If you follow some of these tips, you'll be on your way to a bright future and financial freedom. Just remember to stay disciplined, think long-term, and invest in yourself, and you'll do just fine. It might take a while to see some progress, but if you manage to stick to it, investing will pay off in the end. Please subscribe, share, and comment below if you have a plan of your own to become debt-free. You've been awesome. Until next time.